Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing the digital encyclopedia website, Influenza Encyclopedia, which was produced by the University of Michigan Center for the History of Medicine in Michigan Publishing. They have collaborated with the United States Center of Disease Control and Prevention on the study of non-pharmaceutical intervention in America during the Spanish flu of 1918 and 1919. Firstly, the site for being focused on the influenza epidemic, which has killed more Americans than any other disease in the world, doesn't give that sort of impact they use. Nevertheless, the site serves as a reference point. The repository holds over 16,000 historical documents and photographs, which have been digitized from newspapers, public health reports, and bulletins, and have been categorized into people, places, organizations, and subjects. You can view the original content by going to the University of Michigan History of Medicine website. You can view the various archives that the Center of Medicine have used for references or to obtain their historical documentation. So if we go to, say, Albany County, you can go to their actual government website. However, not all sites work. Say we go to the Charleston County Public Library, it will tell us page not found. There are several ways that you can view the archives. First, you can start with city essays, which is the same as viewing the 50 U.S. cities and their stories. It does not state how these cities were chosen. You can assume that these were the most populated cities at that time. So first, you can go by choosing the city. So if we choose Albany, we can see that it gives us a full article of how the city dealt with the influenza at the time. We can view gallery images, and we can choose the various ones at the top. With this event timeline allows us to choose on different dates and gives us a little synopsis of what has happened during that date. You can also browse the archive, which we can see if we browse the archive that Albany was mentioned 333 times in 283 articles. Therefore, if we say click on one of these articles, we can see a digitized format of the newspaper article. We cannot view for individual words, but you can enlarge the article to get a little bit of a better view. If you are needing more detailed information, it does have a PDF version that you can download. However, it still makes it very difficult to read exactly what's going on within the articles themselves. You can also go to the next city, and it will also bring you to the next city that you can view. We can also view, again, by people, and this allows you to search individual people if you are knowing specifically who you are looking for. You can also search places. For instance, if you search the Albany Hospital, it will give you, again, a digitized news article. You can search organizations. For instance, if we chose the Amusement Council Denver, Colorado, there's only one article in regards to this. And you could choose by individual subjects. By viewing by subjects, this can give you an easier way to look for something if you're unsure where to start. And this, I believe, would benefit students, researchers who are needing a starting point. You can also search the image gallery, which will bring up the various 50 cities. From here, you could just go to the very next city, and then again, view the various pictures associated with that city. Lastly, there is a help page that gives you direct emails if you are needing to contact somebody, if, like they say, if you are needing more information. Also, how to use the site. There is a step-by-step guide that gives you detailed information on how to use this site. It is a very redundant site. There are multiple ways that you can look up the same information. This is definitely an easy way to help you stay organized in your research. Thank you everyone for reviewing the Influenza Encyclopedia digital website. Have a good day.